conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Quark, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award. Who did you say invited you?
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone, but I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of cryo-sleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Kronk and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet. So young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry. When you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights?
Well, hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Oh, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a Zagroot!
Oh, goody. I get to reanimate something. Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
So stupid, be so impossible to kill.
Got him!
A few billion volts more, and I'll have a new space station. Here goes your ride. Another imbecile.
Hello, I'm Kip Darling.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
And we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light-eating Zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical Doctor couldn't have come at a worse time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating it speed dating convention in Meridian City.
Well, let's hope they find love, Pepper. And now, back to the maulings.
Not so tough now, are you?
The depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
Good job, Nefarious.
Hey, over here!
appears the Zagroot has just ravaged one of the city's luminoid conduits.
Hey, over here!
This one's mine. It's headed for the airway. Come on, we gotta catch up. Ah!
I don't need any nanotech. Hey, over here!
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to the Zagroot. A bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our ratings.
No, the steering's out. Shift your weight. It'll bend the gravity coils. Watch out for the air cars.
Here's an interesting fact. This is the 7th massive creature of destruction President Clark has helped unleash upon a major city since his inauguration.
He's destroying the city. I see him. Come on, we're close.
Now that was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Proton Paul's Lunar Funeral Home. Don't settle for a boring afterlife. Spend eternity spinning in your grave, thanks to Proton Paul's Zero-G coffins.
Yes!
This is an interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported into city limits. I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
One could only surmise that these robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction with the Zagroot and invade our city.
I'm out. This one's mine.
Make down your arms, for I am your master! You've been annihilated!
Looks like our heroes found...
Yes! Yes!
This automated training program will teach you how to use your new combustors. Start by unholstering your weapons. Okay, safety precautions, disclaimers, warnings, yada yada yada. Aha! Okay, step one, fire! Impressive shooting, citizens. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished Dr. Nefarious. One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target refuses to stand still, try locking onto them with your weapon. If you're not me, chances are you'll need assistance from time to time. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged blast of power. Congratulations, citizens. You are now certified to carry a weapon inside city limits. Thank you for your participation in the Friendship Through Firepower initiative. Have a truly awesome day.
This one's mine. Nice! More ammo.
The Zagroot has just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot. Kip, you can come out from under your desk.
I follow the truth wherever it leads, Pepper.
Looks like our heroes have acquired some new firepower. Do you think they'll be able to ambush the Zagroot?
If 3 marriages taught me anything, it's that deception and surprise are the key ingredients to any successful offensive.
I don't need any nanotech.
I found ammo! We got ammo here! What are the chances these guys are not coming to kill us? This one's mine. Ready.
Let's move!
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblak about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot. Minister Garblak, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
Around Western working on it, Pepper. It is quite possible that the group belongs to these robots, and that they've come to retrieve it. Until we learn more, I advise all citizens to remain in their homes!
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblack.
I must rearm!
Nice! More ammo! That was close.
I haven't been on a killing streak in months!
On. The entire city watches with bated breath as perhaps the strangest team in Polaris history works to defeat the deadly light-eating group.
Just a reminder, tonight's battle to the death is brought to you by Big Al's Robo-Track and Gaming Superstore, honing noobs for over a decade. I might be mistaken, but I believe destroying those generators would prevent the Zagroot from healing himself.
There's no room for speculation in this game, Pepper.
But I believe destroying those generators would prevent the Zagroot from healing himself.
There's no... And down he goes! The Zagroot has been defeated! I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this newsman hasn't seen anything like this in all his years in the industry.
And there have been a lot of them.
Our station patrols are still taking count, but it appears that we're looking at billions of volts worth of property damage.
A city in shambles, a galaxy in debt, and a lavish Meridian City retreat forged from expensive raritanium. All this begs the question, has the galaxy had enough of Copernicus quark?
Wait! This fight may not be over! The Zagroot is back! And boy, does he look angry. I can barely watch, folks. The monster is breaking through everything in its path with bloodthirsty resolve. It's like watching some elderly cat lady on Black Friday as she claws her way mercilessly toward the last pair of self-cleaning stunderwear.
Our heroes may be in real trouble. The group does not seem to be giving up.
Look! The Defense Force installed fusion turrets on top of Zog Tower!
It looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on top of Zog Tower.
Citizens will remember former Minister of Defense Artemis Zog had them installed in the event of an attack by Dr. Nefarious. How's that for irony?
Yes!
Gotta love these new toys. Take cover!
Took you long enough. You're safe for now.
I think it's safe to say this group has found our protectors.
Nice! More ammo! I don't feel so good.
Don't if you would.
Yes!
Ready!
Ready!
This group's taken a beating, but it's not ready to quit just yet. Let's hope it doesn't find another power source before our heroes can get their final licks in.
What's that, Harvey? Our station manager, Harvey, has just pointed out that a new luminoid generator has been installed on that building.
Well, that certainly complicates things.
This one's mine. I am on fire.
This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating Zagroot. Can they survive a battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
According to our office pool, the answer is no. They cannot.
so good.
Right, baby, got a whole lot better. Ow! You get me!
I found ammo! Not bad for a diabolical supervillain.
Success! Oh, if Lawrence can see me now! Kill him.
This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating Zagroot. Can they survive a battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
According to our office pool, the answer is no. They cannot.
This can't happen! I can't defeat it!
And the Zagroot is down for the count. Absolutely incredible. We'll be right back after this word from our sponsor.
Well, it's been a lot of fun catching up, but I got about
Not so fast, Nefarious. You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
That's not one of mine.
Disengaging primary cryo feed.
Clank, get the light, would you? Huh? Oh boy. Clank! Where are we?
I do not know. Have you located Quark?
Little help here, someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse?
Oh, Lance, kiss me, love me, hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
would ya?
You twit! You dare lay your squishy hands on me? If I get down from here, I'll rip you in half!
Excuse me! What you doing up there?
Hey! Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Aye, aye, Lumbax. We should go before she finds out you're here. Come on, head through the Sector 7 air vent, and we'll rendezvous on the south side. A galactic scout never leaves before her mission is complete.